In the world of breakfasts, oatmeal and overnight oats have long been hailed as champions for weight loss enthusiasts. But which one truly reigns supreme? Today we delve into the ultimate battle, oatmeal versus overnight oats, to uncover which might help you shed those extra pounds more effectively. First, let's explore oatmeal, a classic breakfast staple. Made from whole grain oats, oatmeal is celebrated for its simplicity and nutritional value. When prepared traditionally with water or milk, oatmeal becomes a warm, comforting meal. It's rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and keep you feeling full longer. This fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, absorbing water and swelling, which slows down digestion, ultimately reducing hunger pangs. For anyone watching their waistline, this can be a significant advantage, helping to avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the morning. On the other hand, we have overnight oats, a modern twist on the traditional oatmeal. As the name suggests, overnight oats are prepared by soaking oats in liquid, such as milk or yogurt, and leaving them in the refrigerator overnight. This method not only saves time in the morning, but also creates a creamy, pudding-like texture. Like oatmeal, overnight oats are also high in fiber, but with an added benefit of versatility. The no-cook method encourages creativity, allowing for the inclusion of various toppings like fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices, enhancing both flavor and nutritional content. This adaptability makes overnight oats a popular choice for those looking to optimize their nutrient intake. However, when considering weight loss, there are a few factors to keep in mind. Oatmeal is often consumed warm, which can be more satiating for some individuals, particularly in colder months. The preparation process also offers a chance to control portion sizes and additives, keeping calorie counts in check. A bowl of plain oatmeal, when combined with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a handful of fresh berries, provides a guilt-free, low-calorie start to the day. Conversely, overnight oats, while convenient and nutrient-rich, can also be a calorie trap if not monitored carefully. Pre-packaged options or recipes overloaded with sweeteners and high-calorie toppings can quickly turn this healthy meal into a sugar-laden indulgence. Thus, it's crucial to be mindful of portion control and ingredient choices when preparing overnight oats for weight loss. Now, weighing both options, which should you choose? Ultimately, it boils down to personal preference and lifestyle. Oatmeal may be better suited to those who prefer a warm breakfast and have time for preparation in the morning. Meanwhile, overnight oats may appeal to busy individuals seeking a quick, ready-to-eat solution that fits a hectic schedule. In conclusion, both oatmeal and overnight oats offer fantastic benefits for weight management. The key to success lies in how they're prepared and the ingredients used. By making conscious choices and staying mindful of portion sizes, either option can fit seamlessly into a weight loss regimen. So whether you prefer the traditional warmth of oatmeal or the convenience of overnight oats, rest assured that both can be your allies in the weight loss war.